Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create perfect pitch challenge on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have updated your TikTok application. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update your TikTok so you can get the latest version of TikTok. And after you have updated your TikTok, you can open it. Then you can search for the perfect pitch challenge. You can go to the search menu and then search for the perfect pitch builder. Okay, and here you can choose this one guys to create the perfect pitch challenge on TikTok, and I'm going to click on use this effect. Okay, do re do re mi. Okay, and now my perfect pitch challenge video has been created, and we just need to click on next to post this perfect pitch challenge to our TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the tutorial for today on how to create perfect pitch challenge on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.